Lift up your left arm. What'd you do that for? That's not nice! It's a church!
Say
That's
cheese.
nice. Hey, take your scissors.
Hello.
Right there, right in the middle.
This is for the Christian.
Right there, right in the middle. No, my finger! That's good as dangerous! Person took my hand and he smacked me and I almost cut my finger off. I'll cut the rope. Now we have 2 ropes again. I'll cut the rope one more time. This time I'll cut the secret magnets, the secret buttons, the secret crazy glue. Get out of here, crazy glue. Christopher, hold on to the 2 ends with your 2 hands. I need 2 more helpers from the audience who would like to help me. That young lady right there and that young lady right there. Come on up. What is your name? Say it really loud. What is it? Janelle? Hold on to that end. Janelle? What is your name? Say it really loud. Samantha. We have here 3 wonderful helpers. We have here Christopher, Janelle, and Samantha. Let's give them no, I'm sorry. Christopher, Samantha, and Janelle. Let's give them a big. All right, everybody, who's this? And who's this?
You're in all our videos, so you have to be in this one too.
Christopher. And who's this? Janelle. Right.
Let's say hi to these wonderful people. Hello! You're going to be on our website. Hello all. Say cheese, Marge.
I got a mouthful.
That's okay. Now you're going to be on the web. That's great.
Oh, with my big mouth?
That's okay.
Father, would you like to?
No, I'm all set for now. I'll come back. Look at this happy crew. And then there's Phil here. Oh, look at this. I am. Hello. How are we all doing? Look at this big crowd. The sisters are over here. They're going to be on our video. There's one. He's going to be in the video. Estas personas. Hola. Wave to the camera.
The ears. Better all of. What are you giggling about? You're giggling. Stop giggling.
Oh, someone enjoying food. Look at that.
Hold on to that, please. Here we go, boys and girls. 1. When I count to 3, yell out the magic words. Happy July 4th as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, wave to the camera.
We went right back together again. Let's give our 3 helpers a big round of applause. Thank you very much, Samantha.
Oh, and look at all these tasty treats. We have cakes and sodas and
all right, we're going to do
all sorts of food.
who here knows how to cross?
Then there's Father Christian.
You liked it.
Smile for the camera.
We'll do a little test to see. I can't give
And
you
drinks.
across the
And
screen.
there's the magic lemonade
Only Mommy and
maker.
Daddy can give you that.
Ooh,
We're going to do a little test to see
and face painting.
you are ready. You are ready. So, what does this look like here? What do we have here? A traffic light. That's correct.